specific hypothesis space in machine learning. Describe the component of hypothesis space in machine learning. Explain the algorithm find S. Find a hypothesis by the find S for the following instance in a training set. This is the table of training set. Hypothesis space. Now what is hypothesis space? Component. In machine learning, the hypothesis space H is the set of all possible function or hypotheses that the learning algorithm consider as potential explanation for the training data. The learning process including searching through this space to find the most hypothesis H that map input X to output Y with high accuracy. Now talking to the example of hypothesis. Example, if you are trying to learn a concept based on three binary features, example ABC, the total number of the Poggi space like the one for find S, it often the set of all possible conjunction of the features values and do not care marker. Now finding the S algorithm concept. Find S in the concept learning algorithm that search the hypothesis space for the most efficiently hypothesis consistent with the positive example in a training set. It assumes that the target concept is expressible as a conjunction of concern or the features. Explanation. Initialization start with the most efficient hypothesis H, which set all the most values. जैसे empty set हो गया, range हो गया और a positive example. Dot. Iteration. For each positive training example, if the current hypothesis H correctly classify the example to do nothing. Result. The final hypothesis is the most specific hypothesis consistent with all positive example. It ignore negative example. It assume the correct hypothesis will naturally execute them. This is the correct hypothesis of training data. Now next, start with our most efficient hypothesis H. Process each positive instant. First instance 1. Japan Honda Blue 1980 economic. Now value of H is Japan Honda Blue 1980 economic. Instant 2. Japan Toyota Blue 1990 economic. Comparing the attribute wise, original Japan same, manufacturer Honda versus Tata generalized 2, color blue dash same, decade 1980 versus 1990 generalized 2, type economic same. New hypothesis H equal to Japan dash blue dash economic. Instant 3. Japan Honda White 1980 economic. Original Japan same, manufacturer stay, color blue versus white, generalized 2, decade stay, type economic same. Final hypothesis H equal to Japan question mark question mark question mark economic. Find final find H hypothesis car from Japan and of type economic. This this is all for today. Thank you.